I'm going to share with you 10 marketing strategies for small businesses, and we begin right now. What's going on? Welcome to Business Idea and Entrepreneur Skills. My name is Hussein. If this is your first time on this channel, please click on the subscribe link and the notification button so that you don't miss anything. If you have not yet watched my previous videos on business ideas and entrepreneur skills, please click on the link in the description so that you don't miss to watch those videos. Please stay to the end of this video so that you get which business idea best fits for you to market your business. If you have a different idea of the ones that I have mentioned in this video that's working for you and would like you to share with the other business or other followers, please write your strategy in the comments so that we get to know about it. Today I'm going to share with you 10 marketing strategies that you can promote your business. These are marketing strategies that help small businesses to promote themselves and get more clients or get exposure to most of the people all in the market. The first marketing strategy that I'm going to share with you today is networking. Networking is a very important part of your business. While establishing your business, you need to start networking with your people and tell people what type of business that you're doing. Networking starts with your friends, family, relatives, and social events, as well as also going to public events and distributing your business cards. In very many communities, word of mouth is very much powerful than the advertisement on the notices that are put on the public notices. Using networking sessions, telling families, friends, and relatives will be of a great impact or great useful strategy of promoting your business so that you get clients. The second marketing strategy that I have for you today is telephone calls. Making telephone calls to the potential clients or potential customers that you think will be of use to your business is also another marketing strategy that you need to consider. These are marketing strategies that will require you to invest low or at no cost and will help you improve the number of leads to your business. Making telephone calls is very essential for your business, especially when you know your target customers and you know the type of businesses that you are targeting and they have got telephone or contact number to contact them. This can be businesses, companies, or individuals who own a business that will be of useful to you. Making telephone calls to customers is also very important. The third business marketing strategy that I have for you today is creating a Facebook page. Before I go to Facebook page, it is always essential that you have a very beautiful website. That's the third marketing strategy that I want to share before I go to the next strategies. I'm sharing this strategy according to the way that you need to have from the first strategy to the next strategy when you're a small business. To be a small business, it's very important that you at first you have to network, tell your people, friends, family about the business that you are doing. That's the first strategy. The second thing that you need to do is about making phone calls to reliable or potential customers that you think will be your customers or your potential customers to your business. The third thing is like having a beautiful website that shows what type of product, what type of service that you're offering to the clients and customers. In your website, it should be very directional, and it should be giving a very good information of whatever service or whatever product that you sell. This can be the prices, this can be the product pictures, and what you do, what service that you provide, what are your contact numbers, and any other thing related to your business. Having a website will also enhance your presence on the internet. Very many people now access their needs on the internet, either by googling or going to YouTube to search whatever that they need. Having a website for your business is not only a marketing strategy, but increasing your presence online. The third marketing business strategy that I have for you today, this is the fourth business strategy, is Facebook page. Facebook page is one thing that you need to consider, and you can start at free. Very many people are now using almost billions in a month to access Facebook. Accessing Facebook will also create you to interact or reach to potential customers. Not only reaching to potential customers, also it acts as a word of mouth which is spread on on Facebook platform. Once you share a product that you are selling, it will not only be on your network, but your friends' network and its networks will be replicated on their page. You will see an advertisement claiming or showing that your 10 friends of yours have liked this. That means that your other colleagues will be notified of the product that you have posted on Facebook. It is one marketing strategy that replicates on the internet once you use it. This will also increase the number of leads or that can lead into sales conversion of your business. It's another marketing strategy which is free and that works for most of the people. Very many people also use Facebook as a sales or marketing platform. You may see online markets which are sold. If you are advertising on a Facebook as a strategy to market your business, all you need to provide is your prices, your contact number, and the product that you are selling, the picture of that product, and ask people to call your contact number so that you proceed to the next transaction stage. The fifth marketing strategy that I have for you today, where you can also promote your business and increase the sales and the profit of your business, is having a YouTube channel for your product. YouTube channel is one thing that you need to consider when you're a small business. It is one free thing that also leads a lot of customers. YouTube is either the second or the third source of traffic, internet traffic to businesses. Very many people, very many businesses are now considering establishing their own Facebook channels so that they lead customers, clients to their business and show the product, whatever that they are doing. You need to consider starting a YouTube channel so that you review the product and show the clients the product that you are selling so that it becomes public and leads you a customer. The sixth business strategy that I have for you today is t-shirt printing. You can start printing t-shirts with your logos or on the shirts of either your customers, either your clients or your staff or your own. At this point, you can also consider printing a logo on a car that you use or on any product that you use you go outside to the public. A t-shirt acts like a billboard that advertises whatever service that you provide. So printing a t-shirt is another important strategy which is also free, and you can promote yourself and your business. The next business strategy that you can market your small business is creating other social media. Other social media is so much important. Social media platforms such as Twitter, Instagram, and Flickr, and other type of social media is so much important because almost everyone on this world is digitalized, is using a certain platform to access, either for recreation, relaxation, or entertainment. Creating channels to access your target customers on these platforms will also create your presence on the internet, also generates leads that create sales for you. When using this kind of social media platforms, it is so much advisable that you share links that give us very informative information about your business. This can be your product, the sales price, the picture, and your contact information. It should not be merely related to a picture without no contact information and prices. The next business idea that I have for you today is starting radio announcement. Radio announcement is one thing that you need to consider when you are promoting your business. Radios in the localities also act as a source of reaching to the customers. It creates a wide reach to the customers in your locality. It generates your presence offline in your locality. Having sessions for advertisement on radio is also another strategy that you need to consider. The next marketing strategy is advertisement on newspapers. This can be advertisement on newspapers, magazines, pamphlets, any other places that you think that you can access or get reach to your customers. When choosing a strategy for marketing yourself, it is very important that you know where your customers are, what type of product do they use, where their location is, what type of platform do they use, where can you reach them. If you find that business marketing in terms of advertisement works for you and your target customers use magazines or read gazettes or read newspapers, you need to consider using newspaper advertisements so that you reach your target customer. The business idea that the next marketing strategy that I'm going to share with you today is establishing business pages. Establishing business page is one thing that you need to consider. Business pages, online business pages, which can be found on Google, Yahoo, Bing, is also another source of traffic or source of promoting your business. You can create business pages such as Google business page, Yahoo business page, Bing business page, and Facebook business page. In terms of creating online business page, it is very much important that you include all information, a precise information of your product, price, contact number, and a picture of your business. The next business marketing strategy is email marketing. Email marketing is not different than telephone communication. This is like calling the potential clients. If you know your target customer, who they are, and they have got an email address, you need to consider writing series of email. This is how affiliate marketing works and generates sales as well as leads to their customers. The final business idea, the final marketing strategy that I have for you today is TV presentations. You can make some TV presentation related to your product review, as well as also advertisement on the TVs. If I have missed any of important marketing strategies, please write your comment in your question or your comment in the comments so that other people get to know. If you have a business strategy or a marketing strategy that works for you, please ensure that you share with us so that every other person gets to know and utilize that. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.